Welcome to the session. Today, we learn how to add special characters to the text in JavaScript to print colored text and backgrounds on the console. This technique is great for enhancing logs or debugging outputs. Let's explore how this works. The challenge is to create a program that can dynamically colorize text output in the console. For instance, errors can be displayed in red, warnings in yellow, and general info in green. This code defines a colorize function that takes arguments, joins them into a string, and applies ANSI escape codes for different colors. This makes it simple to customize text, colors, and backgrounds dynamically. This program starts by accepting text and additional arguments, applies the appropriate ANSI escape codes, and outputs the colorized string. This method ensures that the text formatting is consistent and reusable. In this example, we see how different text inputs are stylized using different color codes. For instance, error is displayed in red, while critical is highlighted with a red background. The ES6 version simplifies the implementation with the arrow functions and the spread operator, making the code more concise and easier to read while retaining all functionality. Colorized console outputs have practical applications in logging, debugging, and interactive tools. They make it easy to identify critical information and improve the overall readability of logs. In conclusion, this method for colorizing console outputs improves the readability and usability of logs. It is a valuable technique for developers working with CLI tools and debugging processes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.